Hey, plant lovers! Today we're diving into the beauty and basics of replanting bougainvillea. If you've ever wanted to give your bougainvillea a fresh start or move it to a better spot, stay with me. By the end, you'll have a thriving, happy plant bursting with vibrant blooms. First, let's talk soil. Bougainvillea are Mediterranean sun lovers, so they thrive in well-draining soil. Imagine this. They like it sandy and loose, just like their natural environment. I like to mix cactus soil with a touch of compost. That way, we give them both the drainage and nutrients they crave. Now, here's a quick pro tip. Bougainvillea are actually happiest when they're a little cramped in their pots. I know, surprising, right? But choosing a pot only slightly larger than the current one keeps their roots cozy and helps produce more flowers. When it's time to move your bougainvillea, go easy. Their roots are fragile, almost like they're holding on for dear life. Tap around the pot edges, wiggle the plant gently, and support the base as you lift. A gentle touch is key. Once it's settled into its new home, give the soil a firm press. Not too tight, though. We want those roots to breathe. And for the watering, keep it light. Overwatering is bougainvillea's biggest enemy, especially after a repot. So, I recommend watering sparingly, just enough to keep the soil moist. And there we go. Our bougainvillea is ready to settle in and soon enough, show off those gorgeous blooms. What do you think? Will you try repotting your bougainvillea soon? Drop a comment if you're excited to watch it bloom again. And don't forget to hit that like button if this video helped you out. Let's keep growing together.